What's up, guys? So this is a video about getting your scum line off your boat. When I first got my boat, I didn't even know what a scum line was until I took it out of the water, and I was like, what the heck? What is this? It doesn't just wipe right off either. It's best if you can wipe your boat down right after you pull it out of the water. But if you can't, and you're wondering how to get it off, this video is going to show you how. So what I found works is vinegar mixed with water. You could do a 70-30, 70 water, 30 vinegar. You can make it stronger if you'd like, but what I found works is about 70-30, 70% water, 30% vinegar. This is what we have. My wife uses the heck out of this stuff for cleaning, and I found that it works really good mixed with water in a spray bottle. And then I use my fiber towel just to wipe it off. I'll spray it on the boat, let it sit for a second, then I wipe it down and it comes right off. You could try spraying it down with some soap and you're scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing just to try and get that little bit off, but with this, it comes off pretty freaking good. So I'll show you guys how I do it, and hopefully it helps you guys out. Thanks. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how easily it comes off. Let it sit for a second, and it comes right off with no hesitation. I'm barely even having to put any pressure, it just comes off. Nothing. Like new. So here's, you get a little scum line on the motor. Same thing. Spray a little bit. I mean, it comes off, no problem.
thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps you out in some way. I know there's tons of ways to get the scum line off, but I found this way was cheap and easy and I didn't have to go out and buy anything. So once again, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and tight lines.